Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Nerf vest is probably one of the most essential accessories for any young Nerf enthusiast, transforming ordinary backyard battles into strategic, action-packed adventures. These vests not only provide a cool, tactical look but also offer practical benefits, such as convenient storage for extra darts and magazines, keeping kids prepared and engaged in a game. Join me as we dive into the world of Nerf vests, exploring the best options to elevate your child's Nerf experience. Number 5. UWANTME Kids Tactical Vest Kit for Nerf Guns. Get ready for an epic battle with this tactical vest kit. It includes everything you need to dominate the competition, making sure you are well prepared for any mission. This kit comes with a tactical vest, refill darts, a tactical mask, and a wristband. It's designed to enhance your Nerf battles, providing both protection and style. Safety first. The included protective glasses ensure your eyes are shielded during intense play. This kit is perfect for kids aged 7 to 12, offering a fun and safe experience. With this kit, you'll be ready to take on any challenge. It's the perfect gift for any young Nerf enthusiast, providing hours of exciting and imaginative play. This kit is designed to give you the edge in any Nerf battle. It's the ultimate accessory for any young player looking to enhance their skills and have a blast. What we like. This kit comes with everything your child needs to start playing right away. It's built to last, ensuring hours of fun. If you're looking for a comprehensive and ready-to-go Nerf vest set, this is the perfect choice for your young player. What people say. The vest is made well, holds all the ammo and such. He could carry extra bullets. Number 4. Kids Tactical Vest Kit for Nerf Guns. This kit is perfect for Nerf gun enthusiasts. It includes everything needed for an exciting game, making sure they are ready for action. The kit includes a vest, darts, a darts bag, reload clips, a wristband, a mask, and protective glasses. It is designed to enhance their Nerf gun experience. The vest is made of durable and breathable material. It features adjustable Velcro straps for a comfortable fit for most kids. With the darts bag, wristband, and clips, they can carry plenty of extra ammo. This allows them to stay armed and ready, even while moving around. The included glasses and mask provide essential protection for their eyes and face. The soft foam darts are designed to minimize impact, ensuring safer play. This tactical vest kit is an ideal gift for birthdays or Christmas. It's an exciting game for both indoor and outdoor fun for kids. What we like. This vest kit focuses on maximizing your child's firepower with plenty of extra ammo. The included protective gear ensures safety during intense battles. If your child loves to be fully loaded and ready for action, this kit is ideal. What people say. Holds a lot of foam darts. Very adjustable for kids or adults, sturdy, easy to clean, eye protection, looks awesome when worn. The front side of the vest has a plastic backing inside and a plastic canvas feel to the outside. The back of the vest is open mesh. It is lightweight and comfortable to wear. The camouflage digital print on the outside looks really neat. It is an impressively versatile vest. Number 3. UWANTME Tactical Vest Kit for Nerf Guns. This tactical vest kit is designed for Nerf gun enthusiasts. It allows you to carry extra ammo and maximize your firepower on the battlefield. The kit includes 2 tactical vests, face masks, protective glasses, quick reload clips, wristbands, and refill bullets. It has everything you need to dominate the game. The refill darts are made of safe, non-toxic materials. The quick reload clips can hold up to 6 extra darts and are compatible with various blasters. The protective glasses are designed to fit comfortably and stay in place. They also give you a sharp, competitive look while keeping your eyes safe. The tactical mask is made of breathable fabric and adds a cool factor to your look. It offers a frightening visual impact in a game. What we like. This set offers a 2-pack, perfect for siblings or friends to play together. It includes a variety of accessories for a complete tactical experience. If you're looking for a great value and a way to equip multiple players, consider this option. What people say. The kids love them and the quality and number of items included is really good, especially for the price. My son loves his vest. I like how lightweight it is so he doesn't sweat with it on. Nerf set is perfect for boys to play in the backyard with, the vest holds lots of bullets. Number 2. Kids Tactical Vest Kit for Nerf Guns. Get ready to dominate the battlefield with this tactical vest kit. It includes everything you need to stay protected and prepared for any Nerf gun fight. Never run out of ammo. This kit comes with 50 refill darts, ensuring you have plenty of firepower to take down your opponents. It's designed for the N-Strike Elite series. Quickly reload your blaster with the 2 included bullet clips. This allows you to stay in the game and keep the action going without interruption. Safety first. The kit includes a face tube mask and protective glasses to keep you safe during intense battles. They will protect you from incoming darts. Keep your darts close at hand with the included wristband. It's a convenient way to carry extra ammo and stay prepared for anything. What we like. With a large number of darts and essential accessories, this kit ensures your child is always prepared. The design is user-friendly, making it easy for kids to gear up quickly. If you want a simple, yet effective kit, this is a great choice. What people say. The vest is super easy to put on and adjustable. Has plenty of holding spots for the bullets. The wristbands and face mask is a nice touch. My favorite part were the goggles. They are super cool. They aren't like regular glasses that fall off when the kids play. And you have to keep putting them on. These adjust tightly around the face and head stay put. The vest is well made with solid stitching. Pockets are easy to use. The bullets were compatible with his other Nerf shooters. No jamming so far. The magazines work in all of his Nerf guns that use the standard size Nerf dart. The vest can fit everything you see, and you can swap out your current gear on it. Number 1. Hely Cancy Pink Tactical Vest Kit for Girls. This is the Hely Cancy Tactical Vest Kit, designed especially for girls. It includes everything she needs for a fun and safe blaster game. The vest is designed with a whole pink design and adjustable Velcro straps. It's easy to put on and take off, ensuring a comfortable fit for most kids over 6 years old. The kit comes with a small purple blaster and soft foam darts. These darts are designed to be safe, with soft sponge plastic materials to buffer impact. They are also compatible with Nerf N-Strike Elite Rebel. To ensure safety, the kit includes protective goggles and a camo bandana. The goggles protect her eyes, and the bandana adds a cool look while playing. This pink tactical jacket set is a great gift choice for your little Nerfer. It's not just about fun, it's about providing her with a safe and enjoyable play experience. What we like. This vest is specifically designed for girls, with a fun pink color and accessories. It includes a blaster and safe darts, ensuring a fun and secure play experience. If you have a girl who loves Nerf, this is the perfect gift. What people say. The jacket fits a variety of sized individuals, glasses are a great safety addition and the gun works well too. This is a great little nylon vest with pockets and tabs to keep all the refill darts in so as not to lose all the pieces. Also, comes with a cute little wristband that holds more darts, a pair of glasses so you don't get your eye poked out. Plus all the darts, it comes with a reload clip and cute multicolored buff, which is perfect right now to wear a mask while playing with other kids. It holds a lot of ammo, and looks good too. She isn't wearing the bandana thing that came with it, but it's a continuous loop, so she can use it on her face or in her hair. It's cute pink and purple camo. I recommend this for any Nerf shooter. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.